Hey everyone, how's it going? Today I want to show you guys how to draw a Christmas stocking. So to start off with our stocking, we're going to begin with the top. So starting right here, I'm just going to draw a line that's going to go straight across here at a diagonal. Now I kind of want to make a rectangle shape on here. So when I get around here, instead of making them pointy, I'm just going to kind of curve the corners as they go down. So I'm going to do one here and then one right here. Then I'm going to kind of curve it, and I'm just going to connect it right to here, but I want to make sure those corners have some curves on them. Now, starting right here, I don't want to start right on the edge, I want to start in a little bit. And I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go down, and then it's going to curve like this. Then to make the toe, I'm just going to curve down. I want it to be really big, and I'm just going to have it curve back like this. Then starting here, I'm just going to draw a line. It's just going to go down, and I'm just going to kind of curve it here and then just connect it right there. Now, right here you want to add some details onto your stocking. So I'm going to make a curved line right here on the toe, and then I'm going to put another curved line right here on the heel. Now there's lots of different things that you could add onto here to make it different. I'm just going to make this a little bit more interesting, and I'm just going to start by adding some little striped lines on here, just to make it look a little bit more interesting and not just, one big solid color. So I'm going to put a couple lines here, and then I'm also going to put a couple lines going down here as well. So I'll put one right here, and we kind of leave it like that. Now you can always add some other things. Since I have a big space here, I might add some things like some little circles or things just to kind of make it look a little bit more interesting, a little bit different. Now up here, I'm going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve up and down, kind of like an oval shape. And then I'm going to make another tinier oval shape right inside of here, just so it looks like it can hang. Now, there's lots of things you can add onto here. You could leave it like this. You could add things like a candy cane. If you want to put a candy cane in here, just draw a line that just kind of goes up and then down like this in like a hook shape. And then you just kind of curve it around, make that same shape, and then bring it all the way down to here. And then I'm just going to add a couple little curved lines going along here. You could add some more candy in here if you want to put like a lollipop. I could make a nice circle right here like this. Then put two little lines going down. And then I'm going to make a little curved line like this. And then I'm going to just kind of continue this pattern right across here. Just kind of make some little details on there. And there's lots of other things you can add, lots of different things you can put on here, but we'll just leave it like this. So there you go, there's your drawing of a Christmas stocking. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching, hope you guys enjoyed.